Good morning, student. Last question of your exercise number 3.1. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160. 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is Rs 300. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. There are 3 questions are in this exercise, and question number 1 and 2 have solved already. Question number 3 is today's sheet. Let cost of 1 kg apples is Rx and cost of 1 kg grapes is Rsy. Therefore, ATQ1. First condition of the question is 2 kg apples. Cost of 1 kg equal to x. Therefore, cost of 2 kg equal to 2x. And 1 kg grapes. Cost of 1 kg grapes is y. And plus equal to 160. Now the first equation. And ATQ 2. 4 kg of apples. Cost of 1 kg apples is x, then 4 kg apples is 4x, and plus 2 kg grapes, 2y equal to 300, and second equation. Question number 3, have converted into algebraic form. Equation number 2 divided by 2. This equation can also be written in this form 150. Question number 3. Now our work is to represent these two equations on the graph paper. That means graphically show from equation number first. From equation number first, 2x plus y equal to 160. Now y equal to 160 minus 2x. Already we tried to find the value of y in the term of x. So by this process, from equation number 1 transfer to x and get value of y in the term of x. Prepare in data in x and y. Suppose that x, y, here is x, y. Let x equal to 50. Then 50 to the 100. 160 minus 100 equal to 60. Therefore, first point is 50, 60. Second point is, suppose that 60, x equal to 60, 60 to the 120, and 160 minus 120, that is 40, and point is 60, 40. And this is from equation number first. Now, from equation number second, 2x plus y equal to 150. Therefore, y equal to 150 minus 2x. Again, prepared data x, y let x equal to 50. 50 to the 100, 150 minus 100, that is 50. 50 and 50. Let 60 to the 120, 150 minus 120, 30. ओके, इतना वर्क आपने कंप्लीट किया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we change the word problem into the algebraic system, that means xy, that means in equation system. After that we try to prepare two data or 2 points with the help of equation just like this and this. Now come and plot a Cartesian plan. A vertical line and horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis, and intersecting point is called origin. Divide equally distance just like this. You know that distance on the right side from origin on x-axis is positive, left side is negative. This on y side, upside is positive, below side is negative. Just like let 1 cm equal to 10 units, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, minus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, minus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, just like this. You should try to prepare a Cartesian plan. Now the first point is 50 and 60. 50 is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 50 is here and 60 is here. So suppose that 50 and 60 point is here. Second is 60 and 40. 60 and 40. Suppose that 60 and 40 is here, and point A and B, join these 2 points and produces it. This is first equation, first condition of the question. Now from second 50, 50, 50, 50. Suppose that this and 60, 30, 60 and 30. Suppose that this and this, join this, and this is second line. This type of graphical representation you will get, but be careful. This Cartesian system is roughly. You will try to do this job on the real graph paper. Then your answer will be correct. But process is here. You will try to learn, you will try to see the process, how can we represent the linear equation on the graph paper. So it is third question. अब आपका एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.1 पूरी तरह कंप्लीट हुआ. कंप्लीट. नेक्स्ट, for next exercise, in the previous class we had discussed about let a1x, b1y, c1 equal to 0 and a2x, b2y, c2 equal to 0. Let any two linear equation of two variables. So there are three conditions: first, second and third. Again, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then representing straight lines will be intersecting. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, c1 by c2, then coincident you can say that coincident line, that means they overlap with each other. Just like first is this, second is this, and they are overlap, same line. And third, if a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, parallel line. That means no solution. In this condition, infinitely many solutions. In this condition, unique solution. You can see, if your representing graph line is intersecting, then in that condition we will get the unique solution. If they are coincides, we will get infinitely many solutions. If they are parallel, in that condition we will not any solution of the given conditions of the equation. So these are three most important points for you. With the help of these points, you can easily check your equation how will behave your equations. So come and try to see the next exercise 3.2. Exercise number 3.2. Now the first question is from a pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution graphically. First question is 10 students of class 10 took part in the mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Let exercise 3.2. Let number of x and number of boys student equal to y. Since total number of student equal to 10 according to question, therefore we can write that x plus y equal to 10 now the first equation. Second is number of the students girl is 4 more than y. That means x equal to y plus 4 or x minus y equal to 4. Second equation. Equation prepared. Now prepare data from 1 x plus y equal to 10. So y equal to 10 minus x. xy, let x equal to 5, then y is also equal to 5, 5. X equal to 6, then y equal to 4, that means 6 and 4. From equation second is here x minus y equal to 4 minus y equal to 4 minus x, dividing minus from both the side, x minus 4. So x and y, if taking value x equal to 5, then 1. 5 1, if 6, then 2, 6 and 2. डेटा प्रिपेयर हुआ. अब आप कार्टेशियन सिस्टम में आइए. Let x equal to 7, then y equal to 3. 7 3. Here is also 1 point. Here x equal to 7, then 7 minus 4 is 3. 1 point is. Now Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. According to the first data, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose that 5 and 5. Second is 6, 4. 6, 4 is here. Suppose that by scale 6, 4. 7, 3. 7, 3 is here. 7, 3 and join them. Join them. And point A, B and C. By this data 5, 1. 5, 1 is here. 5, 1, 6, 2. 6, 2 is here. 6, 2. 7, 3. 7, 3 is here. And join them. This, suppose that C and D. we will see that they intersect at point A and draw a perpendicular line from this x-axis and y-axis. So we see that distance from origin to point A equal to 7, and this is 3. So we can say that x equal to 7 distance on y-axis and y equal to 3 distance on y-axis. So number of girls student is therefore number of girls student equal to 7 and number of boys student is 3. That is your answer. So I hope that you will try to solve the remaining problem of this exercise. Now that's all for today. I will continue next question in the next bell. Thank you.